Bonjour à tous, vous allez bien? So don't worry, I'm going to be explaining in English, helping you in English as we're doing class. The topic that we're going to study is indiquer un itinéraire. This topic was studied in class before. The last class we studied this vocabulary, we made an activity about this. But we are going to continue with this topic today to review the vocabulary, to review the grammar part, and to have more activities. So let's start. Do you remember this document? We studied this document the last class, a document from the book that is related to Google Maps. And we have de l'aéroport de Paris-Orly au Musée du Louvre. You have the time, the distance, and all of that. And most important, you have the instructions, okay? The steps that you have to follow to arrive from the airport to the museum. We have these actions, as you see. We have some highlighted actions here. Traîner, tourner, aller, continuer. And then we have again tourner and again continuer. Why is this vocabulary highlighted? Because this is a vocabulary that you are going to be using, or that we are going to be using to give instructions, to give directions. Prenez, take. The meaning of this is take. Prenez l'avenue de Paris jusqu'à, until, à Saint-Cis, that is the name of a street. Then, tournez à droite, turn right. Allez tout droit, that is go straight, tournez à gauche, turn left. Et prenez, that is the same as here, take, la A6V, that is the name of another street. Then we have continuez tout droit, that is the same as allez tout droit. Et tournez à droite, avec des périphériques. Tourner à droite means turn right. Tourner à gauche, turn left. Tourner à droite, turn right. But don't worry, because we are going to have later in another slide that vocabulary. Then you have tourner à gauche, that is turn left. Et à Quai de Bercy, that is the name of the street. Et continuez tout droit, go straight. Vous trouverez le musée du Louvre à votre gauche. You will find the Musée du Louvre on your left. Okay? So those are the instructions that we have to follow to arrive from the airport Paris-Orly to the Museum Louvre. Let's continue here. We have l'impératif présent. It's the grammar or the verbal form that we use to give instructions. So we have that the main objective or the main function of this impératif présent is donner des instructions. That means give instructions. You can give orders, instructions, advices, but in this case we are going to study it to give instructions. Donner des instructions. How do you form l'impératif présent? We have la conjugaison de tu informel ou vous formel au présent. That means that we have the conjugation of tu in the informal way and the conjugation of vous in the formal way, in present, au présent. For example, if I have in present this, vous tournez à droite. You turn right. Vous, it's used for the formal way. And we have the conjugation of this, tourner. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to eliminate vous of the phrase. So I have tourner à droite. What happens if I have here vous continuez tout droit? I eliminate vous and I have continuez tout droit. The same happens in the informal way with tu. I have the verb conjugated with tu and I say tu prends la rue 30. And if I eliminate tu, I will have prends la rue 30. If I have tu tournes à gauche, I have another exception here, so pay attention to this. When I have a verb with tu and the verb and the conjugation of this verb finishes in es, I will eliminate s and I'm going to eliminate tu. So I eliminate tu, as in all the rest. For the l'impératif, I have to eliminate the vous and the or the tu. But in this case, I am going to eliminate the s too. This is a rule. If I have es, I'm going to eliminate s pour l'impératif présent. And I have tourne à gauche, because I eliminated the 2 and I eliminated the S2. This happens in Spanish. For example, when I say in Spanish, tú estudias para la evaluación. I eliminate tú and I eliminate the S and I say estudia para la evaluación. You see, in Spanish we use it too, not only in French, but we use it in Spanish and we don't know that we are doing this change. But we say tú estudias and we say estudia. In English, we have it too. We have, for example, do your homework. If I say you do your homework, I eliminate the you and you have do your homework. Or if I have you brush your teeth, I eliminate you and you will have brush your teeth. So that is what we do. When we want to give an instruction, give an order, give a direction, we are going to use l'impératif présent. And to conjugate à l'impératif présent, we are going to eliminate this, the vous or the tu, and we will have this. So let's have an example here. No, first, let's have the vocabulary. We studied these images in class 2. I'm going to put here the vocabulary using l'impératif. The blue one is formal and the red one is informal. Prenez la rue, prends la rue. You see the difference? We have formal, prenez, and informal, prends. Can you repeat it, please? Prenez la rue, prenez la rue. Informal, prends la rue, prends la rue. Then we have tourner à gauche, that is turn left. Tourner is the formal form and the informal is tourne. Listen to the difference. Tourner, tourne. You see the difference? So repeat. Tourner à gauche. Tourner à gauche. Tourne à gauche. Tourne à gauche. And we have the same for going right. Tournez, tourne. Tournez à droite. Repeat it, please. Tournez à droite. Tourne à droite. Tournez à droite. Tourne à droite. You see the accent is different. Here is tourner and here is tourne. When we're talking about go straight, o sigue adelante, we have continue tout droit, continue tout droit. Listen to the difference. Continue, 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 continue. Repeat it, please. Repeat it, please. Continue tout droit, continue tout droit, continue tout droit, continue tout droit. And finally, we have this traverser, that is cross. Okay? Cross. Traverser la rue, le pont, la place, etc. Traverser la rue, le pont, la place, etc. Listen to the difference. Traverser, traverse. Traverser, traverse. Repeat it, please. Traverser la rue, traverser la rue, traverser les ponts, traverser la place, traverser la rue, traverser les ponts, traverse la place. There is much vocabulary about this, but we are going to study this vocabulary in this moment, only these basic expressions. These expressions in this moment are enough so you can give the instructions to arrive from one place to another. Listen to the difference again between the verbs in the formal, that is the blue one, and the informal, that is the red one. Prenez, prends. Tournez, tourne. Continuez, continue. Traversez, traverse. let's have an example here. We have this map. We are going to write from this place, Arte, that is a museum, to this place, Palais des Droits de l'Homme. That means the Palace of the Rights of Man. So let's have again, from Arte to Palais des Droits de l'Homme. Here you will find, I'm going to be here, in this part you will have the instructions, and here you will see the route that we are going to follow. First we have tournez à gauche dans les quais tournez à gauche dans les quais de Chanoine Winter. We have here, I repeat it, so you can see that it's here and it's in the map too. Look at the map too. We have tournez à gauche, that is turn left, tournez à gauche, dans les quais de Chanoine Winter. That is the name of the street. So turn left in this street. Tournez à gauche dans les quais de Chanoine. Then continuez tout droit. Continuez tout droit means go straight. Continuez tout droit. Tournez à gauche. Turn left again. Yes. Tournez à gauche. Continuez tout droit. If you see the arrow here, we are going to continue straight. Continuez tout droit. Then it says traverser les ponts. Cross the bridge. Traverser les ponts. Tournez à droite. Turn right. Dans le quai Ernest Bevin. That is the name of this street. Quai Ernest Bevin. Tournez à droite. Continuez tout droit. Continuez tout droit jusqu'à, that is until, hasta. Continuez tout droit jusqu'à l'allée des droits de l'homme. That is the name of this street. So we turn here, right, tournez à droite, continuez tout droit, and then we stop here. Tournez à gauche, et voilà. À votre gauche, vous trouverez le palais des droits de l'homme. That means you turn left, and then you have it there. On your left, à votre gauche, on your left, you will find le palais des droits de l'homme. So I want you to take a look again, but in this moment, don't look at the letters. Don't look at the letters, only look at the map. Only look at the map. I am going to read the instructions. You are going to please observe here on the map. So we have tournez à gauche dans les quais du Chanoine Winter. Continuez tout droit. Tournez à gauche. Continuez tout droit. Traversez les ponts. Tournez à droite. Continuez tout droit jusqu'à l'allée des droits de l'homme. Tournez à gauche et voilà, vous trouverez le palais des droits de l'homme. So you have the instructions of following the instructions to arrive from one place to another using the vocabulary that we studied. You can do it. You can give directions, give the instructions to arrive from one place to another using this basic vocabulary. The important thing is that if you are going to use a formal expression, only use the blue letters, the vocabulary that is in blue letters. If you are going to use informal expressions, only use the ones that are in red. That is the important thing, not to mix one and the other, but or the blue one or the red one. So that's it. Take a look at the activity that is in Edmodo. The instructions are there. So thank you very much. Merci. À bientôt.